Hi, it's Karen, and today we're going to make Instant Pot beef stew. What I've done first is I've turned on my pot to saute mode, and it's already hot. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil because we're going to brown our meat first. And I don't really measure mine because I know approximately how much is 3 tablespoons. So let me move that over there. Instead of buying the beef that's already cut up for stew, I buy a chuck roast and cut it up into pieces. You don't want them to be too small because otherwise they'll kind of break apart too much. So I'm going to put them down in my pot. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt to the top, and I'm going to work on browning that, and I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what to do next. Okay, now that my meat is browned, I'm going to add my next ingredients. I'm going to add 16 ounces of chicken stock or broth, either one. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to add 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Remember that when you are using tomato products, don't stir them in. You want to avoid a burn notice. So we're going to put this on top. And get all of that in. And now we're going to close our pot, seal it up, and we're going to set it to, come around, soup, and we're going to take it down to 15 minutes. When that time is up, I will be back to show you what's next. Okay, when your first timer has gone off, you're going to do a quick release and allow all of your pressure to release. And then you're going to open your pot and we're going to add our next ingredients. So what I have here is a pound of baby carrots, and I have 2 medium-sized onions that I have done in my Cuisinart. If you want to just chop them into small pieces, that would be fine too. And I have 2 pounds of potatoes. I have not done them too small because you don't want them to come apart. And I don't peel mine, but you of course can peel yours if you'd like. So we're going to open that up. And we're going to begin adding those ingredients. Just dump everything in. Uh-oh, lost a couple potatoes. Add in our onions. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I just kind of sprinkle that around. And we're going to close our pot back up. And because it still has some steam in there, it's going to take a second to drop down, maybe. There we go. Seal your vent. Let me come around. And we're going to hit soup, and we're going to change the pressure time to 30 minutes. When it's finished, you can do a quick release, and then you should stir it up and serve. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this recipe, then please like my channel. Thank you.